Liberty Walk Silhouette S15 Sylvia. Alright guys, we're back. It's 6 cars here checking in from Daikaku as usual. A little different actually. We've never done a night meet before. We've mostly been focusing on the mornings, but it's a different vibe here at night. Obviously we can start off with these Supras because they do look pretty sick. The red, and we've got the pink one over here. We got quite heavily modified. So you have a look at the rear wing on this one. You see the Brid seats inside. Yes, I know at Auto Salon at some point I was calling them brides. I guess the North American pronunciation, but in Japan, I guess you can call them Brids. Look at that rear wing on the back of the pink Supra. And you've got these cool like Sakura liveries too. Oh, look at that. The Colin McRae livery on the Subi. Sick. But yeah, definitely a bit more of a like night JDM vibe here at Daikaku. Well, obviously at nighttime. And we're used to from the mornings, but it's pretty sick. There's a lot of cool stuff here. So let's have a look around and check it out. Yeah, look at this damn truck, guys. My goodness. Look at that craftsmanship. So, tons and tons of lights. And this is what we call Deco Tour over here, just the crazy modified trucks. There's actually another one here we're going to have a look at in a bit. Check it out. Crazy looking interior. And yeah, he's got the Suzuki bike sitting on the back of the flatbed, posted up here at Daikaku. Quite the setup. Look at this, guys. This is a Pandem E30 BMW. So first time that I've seen this body kit in person. It looks really good. The hood is open for a reason. There's something really cool hiding under there. It's Toyo Proxy sticking out there.
It's beautiful.
But there's the big surprise.
So beautiful. No,
the Honda swap underneath the hood. That is so cool to see. Check out the interior. A little dark here. You can see the Corbeau bucket seats inside, roll cage. Wow. Alright, check it out, guys. There is the Liberty Walk Silhouette S15 Sylvia here at Daikaku. Just cycling through all the different lights that it's got on it, but it's a really cool kit. So as you remember from Auto Salon, it's very similar to that one, but definitely has that Group 5 sports car body styling to it. Just how the fenders stick out, the very wide from the side of the car. It's pretty damn cool. So there we go. Looks like they might be getting ready to leave. We have a bit of a look at it from the back. We've got the Rocket Bunny. Very nice. It's getting some revs beside it. But yeah, that's the back of the S15. You're just looking over the guardrail here. It's quite thick. But yeah, these kits, well, at least the one that Liberty Walk has in particular, or Kato-san himself, is generally used for D1 GP drifting. So it's not just show this car, it gets the job done too. It's pretty sick. Oh, random 296 pulls in. Not expecting to see that at night. There's something a little more expected. Nice S15. Some van culture out here at Daikaku. Look at the Hi-Ace. Just slammed to the ground. And it's got that little wide body kit on it too. Check it out. The bolt-on over fenders on the Hi-Ace. Pretty damn cool. Yeah, you can't really miss this thing. There goes the 296 again. This is what we call Decotora. So Decotora is basically customizing the hell out of these smaller trucks or cube vans, I guess you could call them as well, covering them with tons and tons of lights, different artwork, things like that, just making them look as insane as possible because it's Japan and why the hell not. See if I can get up close to it here. Yeah, look at all the small lights blinking on the front, shaped like hearts. My Japanese isn't good enough yet. I can't read that. I can read that though. It says Body Magic. Yeah, we got the mini chandelier hanging from the top up there. That is damn cool. Oh. There's the side of the Decoratora. Got the Phoenix, or I guess maybe a Phoenix? I don't know. A Ho-Oh? A Moltres? Something like that. Look at the lights in the wheels too. Got the like star hubcap with those small lights on it. Something out of Sailor Moon, I guess. That's what it looks like. But yeah, there's just another subculture in the Japanese car scene or truck scene. That's Decoratora right there. Nice looking Mark IV Supra beside the Decoratora truck too. This one looks like it's built for the Wangan races too. Pretty damn cool. So the 5-spoke Workmeisters, can't go wrong with that. Look at this, somebody imported the Infinity Bubble Coupe. But that wasn't cool enough already, it's the fact that it's in Japan. That is a goddamn RB26 that's swapped into it. Look at that Blitz radiator as well. Oh my god. So between that and the K-swapped Rocket Bunny E30, I mean, what's the cooler or stranger engine swap? What do you think? That is pretty wild. I think we've got a Spirit R sighting here. That's a $200,000 Mazda RX-7 right there. Damn.
Like 2 years here above, it'll be legal. So he'll just bring it back to the class clearance. And the other guy had to play.
Okay, Tatsumi. Very nice 48 Pista. Even nicer 48 Pista. Look at the spec on this. It's like a sandy sort of beige color to it. Yeah, it looks really, really cool in the sunlight here. Aftermarket wheels, carbon fiber shields. Nice yellow FD back there as well. There's quite the crowd over there though. I'll show you guys why. There's quite the infamous landmark here that's been put in place at Tatsumi. Let's go check it out. Alright, there's the new star of the show here at Tatsumi, the speed bump. You can see the crowd building up. They put it there to stop like speeding guys like ripping out of here, and which is so stupid. It's a highway on ramp, so they end up having to just floor it after they get on anyway. But it's ironically turned into entertainment because people like to jump on it. So let's see if we can get some jumpers today. Oh, we got a jumper. Oh. Oh.